How to fix the error using typedef name with CRGB equals struct CRGB after struct. First, set the correct LED count and the correct data pin number. Scroll down and select this part and delete it. Copy this text. I'll put it in the description. Go to Tools, select your Arduino model, and choose the Arduino COM. That's it. Verify first and upload.